Sengezo Chabangu is a name that sparks debate in Zimbabwe. Some see him as a political mastermind, others call him a traitor. One thing is for sure, Chabangu is deeply involved in the tumultuous world of Zimbabwean politics. His journey has been marked by controversy. Chabangu rose to prominence within the CCC, Zimbabwe's main opposition party. He quickly gained a reputation for his political maneuvering. However, his tactics have often drawn criticism from both inside and outside the party. Accusations of betrayal and manipulation have followed Chabangu throughout his career. Some allege that his actions are driven by personal ambition rather than a genuine desire for democratic change. His supporters, however, argues that he is a shrewd political operator willing to make tough decisions for the greater good. Regardless of one's stance on Tshabangu, there is no denying the impact he has had on Zimbabwean politics. His actions have exposed the fragility of the opposition and the challenges they face in their fight against the ruling party. The political temperature in Zimbabwe reached boiling point when Job Sikala, a prominent opposition figure, made a shocking accusation. Sikala, known for his outspoken criticism of the government, claimed that Sengezo, Tshabangu and government agents had attempted to poison him while he was in prison. The allegations sent shockwaves through Zimbabwe and beyond, raising serious concerns about the safety of opposition figures and the lengths to which the government might go to silence dissent. Sikala, who has been a constant thorn in the side of the ruling party, maintains that the poisoning attempt was a direct result of his political activism. Chabangu has vehemently denied any involvement in the alleged poisoning, dismissing the accusations as baseless and politically motivated. The government has also denied any wrongdoing, but the allegations have cast a long shadow over Zimbabwean politics. The international community has called for a thorough and impartial investigation into Sikala's claims. Human rights groups have expressed their alarm, emphasizing the need for accountability and justice in Zimbabwe. The poisoning allegations serve as a stark reminder of the dangers faced by those who dare to challenge the status quo in Zimbabwe. The Citizens' Coalition for Change, CCE, Zimbabwe's main opposition party, has been grappling with internal divisions and leadership disputes, further complicating the political landscape. Sengezo Chabangu's role in these disputes has been a subject of intense scrutiny. Chabangu has clashed with other senior figures within the CCCC, leading to accusations of power struggles and undermining the party's unity. His critics argue that his actions are driven by personal ambition rather than a genuine desire to build a strong and united opposition. The leadership disputes within the CCC come at a critical time for the opposition as they prepare to challenge the ruling ZANU-PF party in upcoming elections. A divided opposition could weaken their chances of success and play into the hands of the incumbent government. The internal struggles within the CCC highlight the challenges faced by opposition parties in Zimbabwe as they navigate a complex and often hostile political environment. Maintaining unity and a clear vision is crucial for the opposition to effectively challenge the ruling party's grip on power. Section 4. Zimbabwe's troubled democracy. Zimbabwe finds itself at a crossroads. The country has been plagued by political and economic turmoil for decades, leaving its citizens yearning for a better future. The ruling ZANU-PF party, in power for over 4 decades, has been accused of authoritarianism, corruption and human rights abuses. Opposition parties and civil society groups face an uphill battle in their fight for democratic reforms and good governance. The political playing field remains uneven, with the ruling party using its control over state institutions to suppress dissent and maintain its grip on power. The poisoning allegations against Sengezo, Chabangu and government agents, if proven true, would represent a deeply concerning escalation of political violence and intimidation. Such actions strike at the heart of democracy, eroding public trust and creating a climate of fear. The international community has a crucial role to play in supporting the aspirations of the Zimbabwean people for a democratic and prosperous future. Holding the government accountable for its actions, promoting human rights, and supporting civil society organizations working for positive change are essential steps. Section 5. Hope for change and international support. Despite the challenges, there is still hope for a brighter future in Zimbabwe. The resilience of the Zimbabwean people, their unwavering belief in democracy and their determination to create a better future for themselves and their children should not be underestimated. The international community can play a vital role in supporting the aspirations of the Zimbabwean people. By applying diplomatic pressure, promoting dialogue, and providing humanitarian assistance, the international community can help to foster an environment conducive to positive change. Supporting free and fair elections, promoting respect for human rights, and encouraging economic development are all crucial steps towards a more democratic and prosperous Zimbabwe. The journey towards a brighter future will not be easy, but with the support of the international community and the unwavering spirit of the Zimbabwean people, it is a journey worth taking.